Hello everybody on YouTube, it's Xaldin here, the Magician Master 100, known as the Master of all Spellcasters. Well, we're in my car, and I was at Walmart today, and I decided to buy 5 packs of Dimension of Chaos. The reason why I was at Walmart was because the fact that I was buying some drinks for me and my friends, because today is one of my friends' birthday. Happy birthday, dude! And I was thinking, while I was there, might as well get a couple of packs. And now I'm going to do, for the very first time, in my car, a pack opening. So, let's get started. Now I'm going to have to do it at this angle, and of course I will show you what cards I pulled. So, let's see. Pack number 1. I pulled Dark Contract with the Gate, Xaldin Galilee, Raid Raptor Skull Eagle, Super Heavy Samurai Soul Horns, and my rare is Wave King Caesar, and I think my ulti is Painful Escape. And the rest is Perform Mage, or as I prefer, Enter Mage, Mirror Conductor. My other card is Contact Loudering, and I got a Cosmo monster, Cosmo Wicked Witch. Alright, that's pack number 1. Yeah, I'm going to try to do it this way. Hang on. Probably not one of my best pack openings so far. Pack number 2. I'm hoping at least get one Mod Spectre. First card is Dark Contract with Errors, Greedle Eagle, Fuffle Wings, Raid Raptor Ultimate Mace, and my rare is Greedle Slime, and hello! And notice I just go to Greedle Slime thing, and now I got this. DDD Wave Oblivion King Caesar Ragnarok. And the rest is Greedle Split, Despot 6, and another Conductor Mirror. So far, no Mod Specters. So far, that sucks. I'm hoping for at least one Mod Spectre. One Mod Spectre. That's mostly my main goal right now. I wonder if I should have pre-opened these boxes. Oh well, I'll probably remember that next time. Alright, my first card is Perform Mage Fire Plush. Oh, here we go. A Mod Spectre. Mod Spectre Crow. Yata. We got a Synchro. Despot Jet. Super Heavy Samurai Soul Horns. And we got Samurai Cavalry of Raptor, I think it's pronounced. I'm not sure. And we got DDD Slime. Greedle Cobra. Dark Contract with Swamp King, and Super Heavy Samurai Soul Claw. So I'm actually happy to receive mostly these 2 cards right here. I got my very first Mod Spectre, finally. I'm hoping to get at least a look, like one of the spells and traps at least. All right then, let's see. Pack number 3. Oh, no, excuse me. Pack number 4, actually. Miscounted. Okay. We got Greedle Alligator. Super Heavy Samurai Transporter. Oh, another Mod Spectre. Another Yata. That's my second Yata. Dark Contract with the Gate again. Another Super Cavalry, the Raptor. Oh, we got another triple D, except this one's an alt. I think it's an alti. DDD Duo Don King Kala Yugo. Or Yuga. DD7 Kelper. Sorry for mispronouncing these names. Super Heavy Samurai Thief. And another Osmode Wicked Witch. I look at you, my pretty, and your little dog, too. Alright. Final pack. Final pack. Alrighty then. Come on. There we go. I got another dark contract with arrows. This probably be my third one, probably. Dr. Frankenderp, like Derpy. Another Enter Mage Plush Fire. DD Human Resources. Raid Raptors Fiend Eagle. And I got Ignite Night Reload. Oh, sweet! Got another Mod Inspector. I got Mod Inspector Fox. Sweet. Perform Mage Mirror Conductor. And finally, Super Soldier Soul. Alright then. That was a pretty good pack opening. Oh, shoot, dropped my camera. Whoops. So, tell me what you all think in the comment section down below. Probably not one of my best pack openings, but I'll try to do better next time. So, yeah, I'll catch you all in my next video. See ya!